सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम लोग एक नई शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं पॉडकास्टिंग के लिए गेस्ट हैं आज हमारा ही जूनियर ऋतिक तिवारी, जो कि बेसिकली यूपी से है। और इसकी स्टोरी एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी स्टोरी है। ये पहले यूक्रेन से पढ़ाई करके आया था, फिर वहाँ से कैंसिल हो गया था। जो भी हुआ था वो इसके मुँह से ही सुनेंगे हम स्टोरी। तो बस यही है, चलते शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे पॉडकास्ट। सो ऋतिक, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। देख, मेरे को तो पता है तेरे बारे में, ऑडियंस को बताना है। हम चैनल पे आए हैं तो ऑडियंस को बताना है तेरे बारे में, तू बता।
So, particularly, I'm a only son of my parents, and right now I'm pursuing second year MBBS from GDMC, Dharmapuri, Tamil Nadu.
सो व्हाई डिड यू डिसाइड MBBS एज ए करियर, एज ए डॉक्टर?
लाइफ में ना मैं थोड़ा सा क्लियर था कि मुझे अपनी लाइफ में ना कुछ बड़ा सा करना है। अब बड़ा सा करने में ना काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस थे सर। एक तो ये था कि सिंस माई फैमिली बिलोंग्स टू LLB, many of them are advocates. So either I want to be a biggest lawyer, but then the second option would be a doctor, and I choose to become a doctor, which I think will make me I'll be the biggest doctor in our country, and then that will make my life good.
बढ़िया। तो लाइक जैसा कि तूने बोला कि भाई तेरे को बड़ा डॉक्टर बनना है, व्हाट डू यू मीन विद दैट?
सर मैं बड़ा मतलब सिर्फ ये है कि मैं जब भी रोज़ सुबह उठूँ ना, तो मुझे अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि हाँ, जो मैं करने जा रहा हूँ वो लाइफ में इससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं है, इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं कर सकता मैं।
जैसा कि तू यूपी से है तो मैं तेरे से ऐसे एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता हूँ। वेयर डिड यू ग्रो अप, लाइक वेयर वाज योर चाइल्डहुड?
Particularly, all my life was in Jhansi only up till 12th. So I just love the city. I just love the culture. It includes everything. Celebrating all the festivals of our India. There were everything: Dashera, Diwali, Holi, and we have celebrated since the childhood. So that was a beautiful part that I've enjoyed in my life.
जैसे कि तेरी स्टोरी मेरे सामने आई थी शुरू में जब तू आया था फर्स्ट ईयर में, कि पहले तो यूक्रेन गया था MBBS करने के लिए। यूक्रेन से फिर तेरे को जो भी हुआ, मेरे को स्टोरी एग्जैक्ट याद नहीं है अभी फ़िलहाल, तभी वो आज क्लियर कर लेते हैं कि यूक्रेन आया, फिर तू यहाँ के पढ़ाई करा, फिर से नीट क्लियर करा। मतलब बहुत टफ रहा होगा ये जर्नी, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बता पहले।
सर, यूक्रेन वॉज नॉट माई फर्स्ट ऑप्शन। अगर थोड़ा सा पीछे जाएंगे ना सर, तो आपको पता चलेगा लाइक आफ्टर माई फोर्थ ड्रॉप आई चूज टू गो टू यूक्रेन। बिफोर दैट आई जस्ट थिंक सो, जैसे ही मैंने 12th पास किया ना सर, उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में आया लाइक इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग इन माई लाइफ, आई वॉन्ट टू डू इट बाई माई सेल्फ। तो मैंने ट्राई किया, फर्स्ट ड्रॉप लिया, सेकेंड ड्रॉप लिया, थर्ड ड्रॉप लिया, फोर्थ ड्रॉप लिया, एंड एट माई फोर्थ ड्रॉप मुझे लगा कि लाइक मे बी दिस इज़ नॉट द थिंग, आई एम वर्किंग अ लॉट हार्डर बट दिस इज़ नॉट माई थिंग। तब मैंने डिसाइड किया सर कि मैं यूक्रेन जाऊँगा एंड आई विल परस्यू माई लाइक ड्रीम इन दैट डायरेक्शन।
तो वहाँ जाके फिर सब नॉर्मल चलने लगा था?
थिंग्स वर गुड, बट जैसे मैंने कुछ सोचा था वैसा कुछ तो नहीं था सर। पढ़ाई इज़ लाइक ओके हो रही है, पढ़ाई वॉज नॉट दैट मच गुड, बट स्टिल देन आई जस्ट थॉट दैट सिंस मैंने नीट UG क्रैक नहीं किया, आई ट्राई टू क्रैक नीट PG, and I've started preparing, taking whatever I had taken that seriously sir, and I've started studying in that way.
तेरा फुल मूड बन गया था कि अब तो यहाँ से निकलना है, MBBS करके ही निकलना है, ऐसा था? फिर व्हाई डिड यू ड्रॉप आउट, लाइक क्या हुआ था उस टाइम?
Sir, everything is in God's hand, I think so. When I was in the first year, COVID came, and I just spent 4 to 5 months there, and then because of COVID, sir, I came back to India. And as the second time I went into the I came into the second year and I went to Ukraine, sir. That time the war started, and I just planned to come in like June to back to India, but due to the war I came in Feb and somewhat in March. Then after taking some time, I got to know that I have few months and I can still try for the government college in India. So sir, I prepared and I cracked.
तेरे को पता कैसे चला कि वॉर चालू हो गई है और यार अब हमें जाना चाहिए या हमें निकाल रहे हैं, या फिर जो भी था?
Sir, actually, like many things are involved here. Indian embassy was involved. Everybody was knowing that this is a time of danger, but nobody was specific about when is going to war will be started. Nobody was knowing about it. On the 23rd or 24th Feb, when I was sleeping, in the morning, at 5. Since there is a time difference between India and Ukraine, it is about 4 hours difference. So nearly 9 was the time that was in India. My mom called and I was just sleeping. It was nearly in the morning 5. And she called me and she told me that the war has been started. So this is how I got to know about the war.
Then, what was your experience then after that? How did you feel like, oh fuck, war has started, how will I survive here and what will happen? तेरे दिमाग में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे उस पे?
Sir,
एंजाइटी हो रही थी, टेंशन हो रही थी?
this was the first time I am not belong to any army family or something. So this was totally new reaction. Everything was new. Anxiety was there. I just ran to other friends of mine. They all were sleeping. I just knocked the door. I asked them, man, do you know what happened? And that war is started. Now what will we gonna do? How will like be safe? No clue. Like war is started. Then we just talked to other people. I called my mom again and I talked to her that she should be normal. Everything was, since I was in a city, Uzhgorod in Ukraine, it was the far west city. It was totally safe. So I just called my mom. I shown her in the videos that everything is okay here, so nothing to worry. But it will take some time. She was asking me about when will you come back. But all of those things, they were like, we can't plan them. Nothing was planned. Neither flights, anything was not planned. So everything was, we are just trying to be safe.
So when did you return to the India?
I returned on 2nd of March. Actually, I booked the flight of 9th of March beforehand. During the war, all the flights got cancelled. Even the flights that were arranged by the Indian government, they've taken the flight from India, but they went back in the air only. So they never landed in Kyiv, Ukraine. So
वैसा क्या होता है? War की वजह से?
like since war started, Kyiv was not a safe area. So all the flights that were going to land in Ukraine, they all were cancelled. And many of them have arranged on the day of war. They were just sent to the Indian embassy in Ukraine. They were not allowed to even be in the airport as it was not safe.
मैंने सुना था शायद तेरा बीच में ब्रेकअप भी हो गया था.
Breakup. Man, this was the time I actually need the girl. Like I actually need my girl to be with me. Yeah, actually that was not a breakup. It was just one-sided. She cheated me, and I get to know later. She just told me that she just like her best friend.
Oh.
And
But by the time she was in relationship with you?
Yeah, she was actually in relationship with me. On the New Year Eve, that guy proposed him and cried, and she was taking a lot of care for that guy. I just simply asked her, like, what is going on? Is she wanna be with me? She's sure about me. She's just caring of her best friend, or is it like she's thinking something else for her best friend? She told me like she's not sure, and that was enough answer for me. I just said, okay, man, I just gave up on you. You can enjoy your life the way you want.
Okay. Then after that, she came to your home one day, you said?
Yeah. Actually, she just came on July. Like after 6 months, we both belongs to the same city. I called her up. I said, man, I just want to talk to you once. I just want to tell you how I feel about you. I want to get angry on you. And somehow she was crying, but she said, okay, I'll be coming. And then we met at our home. We thought about coming back together, but it wasn't.
जब तू आ गया था, तेरे को पता है तेरी एमबीबीएस खत्म हो, ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गई थी मतलब कोई चांसेस नहीं थे वापस. Then you decided to study from the scratch, like again for the NEET. By the time she broke up with you, she cheated, exactly. She cheated. Then how did you handle all those things, all those emotions, all those angerness?
So
That failure, like she rejected, no. Already you got one failure from the MBBS, like Ukraine went and studied there and it got cancelled somehow. And another hand, your girlfriend, she cheated on you. How did you dealt with that?
Actually, some people say that time heals everything, and I just believe on those words. There are other words also that I believe on, is like everything is happens by God only. I believe all those words. Right now I can say that, like I'm saying, that time has healed everything, but at that time it was too hard for me. Like neither my career was decided, and the support that I was having, that was all I was needing at that time. That support has left me at that time, so time was too hard. I just kept myself up. Again, the same thing. I just want to do something in my life, and that was the only thing that I was seeing at that time. Like Arjun and Eye of the Bird. The same thing. I just wanted to make my life something, and that's why I just prepared. And somehow I cracked NEET.
यही तो एक इंस्पिरेशन थी गाइस. एक लड़की छोड़ के जाती है ना, बहुत चीज़ें ऊपर नीचे होती है यार, दिमाग ख़राब हो जाता है, बहुत चीज़ें होती है. वही अपने आप को हैंडल करके बस तुम आगे बढ़ो. होता है, सबके साथ होता है. कईयों के साथ बहुत बुरा होता है, कईयों के साथ थोड़ा बुरा होता है. वो कंडीशन पे डिपेंड करता है. मोस्टली ख़राब कंडीशन में ही लड़की छोड़ के जाती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम.
अच्छी कंडीशन में कौन?
अच्छी कंडीशन में तो सब साथ ही रहते हैं, खुशी रहते हैं. जब पता चलता ना कि यार ही इज़ गेटिंग टू डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी, इज़ गेटिंग टू क्लोजर टू मी, लाइक वॉट, ऐसा लड़कियों के दिमाग में पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा आता है. हमें नहीं पता, लड़की को कौन समझ पाया आज तक. जस्ट गिविंग ए ब्रीफ अबाउट द थिंग्स. तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. हम बहुत सीरियस टॉपिक हो गया ना, सीरियस हो गया ना, थोड़ा इसको काम करते हैं. थोड़ा फनी क्वेश्चंस, इजी वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, ठीक है? लाइक व्हाट इज योर मॉर्निंग रूटीन? लाइक व्हाट डू यू डू इन द मॉर्निंग?
Actually, I don't know why, but every time I wake up in the morning, the first thing I think about is studies. Like I have the plans, further plans, and for that I have to be more determined for the studies. So whenever I wake up, I think about my studies, how it is going on, how can I just make them better, how can I make the routine of my life better.
What about your current relationship?
Current one is like, we are just giving time to each other. We are bonding. We are giving time to each other. We both are mature enough that we are not lying to any one of us.
Everybody knows that past is past.
So we have shared everything. Now we are just giving time. We are not rushing into anything, and we are just giving us time. And whatever will happen, it will unfold.
Nice. Okay, I have one interesting question. How do you want to be remembered from somebody? Like if somebody wants to remember you now, how they should remember you?
I just want them to know that I am a one-faced guy. I don't have 1,000 faces. I don't have 2 faces. I don't have different faces. I'll be just the way I am in front of anyone, in front of everyone. That is how I want to remember. I will be making mistake, but it will be in front of you. It won't be at the back.
जैसा भी होगा मुंह पे होगा.
मुंह पे होगा. I won't be at the back of it.
Correct. What is your biggest fear?
Fear. I don't want to live our moment without my parents. Not a second, not a millisecond. I just want, up till I'm living, I just want my mom and dad to be with me.
Correct. At that, everybody like class.
I don't want to lose them.
What is the most important lesson you have learned in your life?
Never give up. Never give up. Just believe in you. Life consists of many phases. They will come. Let's talk about, just be a prime minister of the India. Like, still you will be having problems in life. Still you will be having happiness. You will be having sadness. At any point of time, nothing is sure. Life is very small. Just live every moment. Just live. Be happy. Enjoy time with the persons you like.
Like इतना कुछ past में हुआ, okay, whatever happened, it happened, okay. Like what thing made you this kind of shape? Like देखो ऐसा किसने इस चीज़ में मिला?
Those moments, hard time. Like nobody learns from the easy lessons of life. The hard times are the time in which people grow up.
They learn.
They grow up. So
From the mistakes, hard
time. And I'm so lucky that I had many hard times in my life. I believe so.
So that is why you feel, or whatever the thing you do, maturely you do now. You'll think first, like, okay, should I do this?
Like, feelings are very important. You should take care of people who feel for you. Wow. Trust. It's like very common to break the trust, but keeping the trust is the hardest thing. So people should be like that. They should take care of other people, their other feelings. Be true. Either the other one will accept you or not, but just be true. At least you will be you will be happy within yourself that yeah, I'm not lying, and that's the important part.
Dharmapuri, we didn't talk much about it.
And Dharmapuri is the beautiful thing.
Dharmapuri is best place.
I just
Now even I feel that Dharmapuri is best place. Okay, now you tell something.
okay, like so this place, Dharmapuri. Again, it's something like unfolded. Dharmapuri, Tamil Nadu. Since we are from north, we guys are very less interactive. We guys are like we have very less knowledge about the other parts of our nation, like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and this is one of those parts. People here, culture here,
Completely different, I guess.
yeah, the real women empowerment you can see it here.
Yeah, of course.
Like women are working anywhere, everywhere. You'll find women's everywhere.
Anytime, like even night duties, girls.
Yeah, they are still preserving our Indian culture. I believe they are still wearing gajras. Even our professors they wear gajras, and then the sari. So that is the beautiful thing that is here. Culture is here, nature is here, and like in north people are more.
They are trying to copy the Western.
Yeah, they're more about showing things.
Yeah.
Here showing is nowhere.
Show off is not available.
Yeah,
Nice.
so they are always even
They're being real. They're being true. I feel that, yeah. I don't want to be that feeling that thing. I'm supporting Tamil or something. No. It is about the realness, reality. They are attached to their roots. That is the best thing I have seen here. So with all these things, we may end up this podcast with few questions. Okay, again. Any one piece of advice you want to give to my listeners?
man, life is too small. Don't think too much. Enjoy time with the people you love. If you're thinking to do anything in life, just do it. It's now or it's never, man. Just do it right now.
करेक्ट टाइम निकल जाता है ना फिर बाद में आप रिग्रेट करते हो यार वो कहावत भी तो है हिंदी में कि अब पछतावत क्या हो ऐसा कुछ है ना अब पछताने से क्या होगा जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत तो वही है जब तक टाइम है तब तक मोमेंट है ना वो कर लो यार उस मोमेंट के बाद ना तुम सोचो कि बाद में कर लेंगे ये हो जाएगा कुछ नहीं होता बाद में अभी जो हो जाता ना हो जाता है करेक्ट सही बोल रहे हो बंदा इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क मी
There are many questions. Since you are my senior, sir, I would like to ask you the advice you would give me, like about how should I live my life, how should I cope up with the studies and everything. What do you feel like?
स्टडीज़ के एड्रेस तो मैं तेरे को ऑफ कैमरा भी दे दूँगा
Life, you can give anything you want me to include that thing in my lines. You can say that to me.
यार भाई बाकी सब तो परफेक्ट है यार देख सीधी सी बात बताऊँ तो खुश रहना चाहिए सीधी सी बात है मेन मोटिव यही होना चाहिए तेरी लाइफ में तो जो कर रहा है ना वो मस्त मज़े से कर खुश होके कर ऐसा नहीं कि कोई तेरे को देख तू किसी को देख के चेंज हो रहा है या तू किसी को कॉपी कर रहा है ऐसा मत कर या फिर तेरे को अंदर से खुशी आनी चाहिए यार वो ऑटोमेटिक खुश रहता है बंदा पढ़ाई तो क्या होती रहेगी वो तो अपने के एक होता है ना कि यार पढ़ना है जॉब लगनी है घर वालों का नाम होना है थोड़ा घर वालों का प्रेशर होता है वो लड़कों पे होता है लड़कियों पे होता है नहीं होता आई डोंट नो है कि नहीं है
हाँ।
लौंडों पे होता है प्रेशर कि यार पढ़ाई करनी है जॉब लगनी है घर वालों को देख रेख करनी है या अपन घर के पिलर्स होते हैं यार ठीक है तो वही जॉब करना है वो परफेक्ट है उसी बीच में अपने लिए भी टाइम निकालो अपने लिए भी खुशी का मोमेंट ढूंढो कि कौन सी चीज़ मेरे को खुश रखती है यार वो भी तुम साइडवेज करते रहो जिससे तुम्हारी स्टडीज़ या फिर जॉब वो भी इफेक्ट ना हो और तुम्हारा एंटरटेनमेंट और तुम्हारा जो भी लाइफ है वो भी चलता रहे आई वुड लाइक टू गिव दैट
Thank you.
So yeah guys, this was our mini podcast, kind of podcast I would like to say. It was feeling like an interview or something, but no. It was just a sharing in the moment, whatever that happened within in his past life or in the like recently time. तो guys इस podcast से मैं आपको बस एक इतनी सी एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ कि यार लाइफ ना रुकती नहीं है बहुत बैड टाइम्स भी आते हैं गुड टाइम्स भी आते हैं गुड टाइम्स में क्या अपने को पता नहीं चलता कि यार ये गुड टाइम है हमारा अपने को पता नहीं चलता बैड टाइम होता ना तो गांड फटती है सीधी सी बात बोलूँ तो गांड फटती है यार कि यार क्यों हो रहा है ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है समझ रहे हो तो उस टाइम में अपने को पता चलता है कौन अपना है कौन पराया है पहली बात तो अच्छा समय बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है वही बात है बुरा टाइम होता है तो क्या करना है, अकेले मोस्टली तो क्या है कि बुरे टाइम में तुम अकेला फील करोगे, तुम्हारे आसपास 100 लोग भी होंगे ना, तुम फिर भी अकेला फील करोगे उस बुरे टाइम में। तो ये एक मेन चीज़ होती है। तो उस टाइम ना तुम कोशिश करो अपने आप को संभालने की, कैसे भी करके फ्रेंड्स के पास जाओ, अपने रिलेटिव्स के पास जाओ, मम्मी पापा से बात करो, घर पे बात करो, इधर उधर जहाँ तुम्हें मौका मिले ना इंगेज रखो अपने आप को, और ट्राई टू कोप अप विद दैट कंडीशन। कब, क्योंकि है तो है। तो बस वैसे ही हमारे जूनियर ऋतिक के साथ भी लाइफ में ऐसे हर्डल्स आए, बट ये इसके फेस पे आज भी स्माइल है। क्यों? क्योंकि इसने अच्छे से डील करी उन सिचुएशन से। तो बस यही आपको एडवाइस दूंगा मैं, बी हैप्पी, डू अच्छा अच्छा करो अपनी लाइफ में, इन्जॉय करो, बस चलते रहो यार, लाइफ चलती रहती है, एंड नहीं होती है। चलो गाइस, मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में, बाय।